So what's also happening this week, this is just a short vlog before I actually say goodbye. I wanted to add something. Changes that I've noticed, if you're going to be doing free weights, your arms are going to be getting a lot stronger than you think if you're using free weights for arms, legs, and back and chest, and whatever else you're doing during the day where you use your arms, washing dishes, vacuuming, whatever. Your arms are going to get sore. So it's really important to take that day off. Really important to take that day off. And I would say if you could get a heavier weighted vest, 20 pounds. Some of them are too big. The 40-pound weighted vests are only for people who are way taller than me, 5'6" or taller, because they're like really long and it wouldn't be comfortable for me to wear it. But if you could get your hands on a 20-pound, I don't know if there is such a thing, a 20-pound weighted vest, it would really help alleviate some of the stress on your arms for lifting free weights during leg day. So you could lift just maybe 15s. If you're a bit larger than me, 15s are fine, but if you only want to lift 10s for leg day and you want more weight, you get a weighted vest. I think right now with the Big Fives and all the exercise equipment places being closed, and if you order anything online, you're not going to get it for longer than a month from now. Be a really long shipping wait. So unless you already have some squatting equipment, bars, workout bars and stuff like that, and you're gonna have trouble with your arms. This is also like a warning video, just so you know, you're gonna get really sore here. So that's if you have free weights, if you got your hands on some 10s or 15s. If you don't and you're just using big water bottles or something like that, you'll still get a little bit sore in your arms if it's something you've never done before. But that is the warning if you're thinking about doing these, anything with weights, free weights, or always using free weights. Like a lot of the HIIT exercises use free weights, and if you're doing that a couple, 3, 4, or even 5 times a week, you're gonna notice that most of your soreness is not in your legs, it's in your arms, and you'll have some stress on your grip there. Be some stress in your hands. Your hands will noticeably get stronger. You'll develop veins. You'll develop the veins in your hands, which is not where you want them. You want them here, right? Not in here. Especially if you're ladylike and you're a dancer. Most of my videos are for dancers who need light weights and just a little bit of strength training. But that's who they're geared towards. But anybody can do it. So you need like dainty hands, and they need to be fast but also strong. So the free weights, I wouldn't suggest going heavier than 10s and for a female, but it's all up to you what you feel comfortable with, how you want your body to look. I'm just saying you're going to lose a little bit of that fluidity in your hands if you're lifting any heavier than 10s or 15s. And I only used 15s on leg day, and I hate it. I really prefer going to the gym and using the machines. I prefer it because one, you can reach different muscles easier, and you can lift heavier on your legs, and there's no stress on your arms. on the machines, you can do things that you can't do when you're doing squats. So yeah, there's a lot of different exercises that we do on the machines that are for calves and other things. So I miss the gym. That's what this video is about. I want to go back to the gym. When are they gonna open? But yeah, free weights. That's the heads up. Heads up, you're gonna get sore in your arms. Look, I've been doing this with weights for just a couple of weeks and I'm strong. You can't hardly see that, but I've got some clear definition now, and I started out these videos just doing ab routines. I just wanted to do ab routines so you could see what it takes to get a six-pack, but that's not all you have to do to get a six-pack. There's so much more that goes into it. So I decided to do a week of my full workouts, what I'm actually doing for the next month, and absolutely my workouts will get more intense throughout the rest of the month. It is April 10th. I've been doing this for 6 days. So throughout the month, my workouts will increase, not anymore in weights. When I'm doing weights is going to be the max, but I'll be doing more of certain things. I'll be doing more combination workouts with the weights. And now that my dance studio is opening up virtually, I'll be able to have more lessons, which is a plus for cardio. And the more lessons, the more choreography, the more dancing. Yay! That's what I'm excited about. Because I could freestyle all day, but I don't know if it looks good. I have to videotape everything, and who wants to do that? I'm not that vain, really. Anyway, so that's my vlog for the day, my little heads up warning, and I don't want that to keep you from doing anything. All of these exercises can help you lose weight, get stronger, and give you a better physique if you do them regularly, with or without weights. All of them can be done without weights. The ab routine will definitely get you some clear definition in your abs if you've lost a significant amount of weight. I mean, if you're at a certain weight. Obviously, I'm not gonna tell you can get a six-pack if you're 300 pounds and you don't have any muscle on your body. So obviously, you're gonna have to lose more weight than just a couple of pounds if you're at that point. But you can get there with it. Just takes some, I don't even want to call it work. If you call it work, you call it work because you like to call it work. People like to do that, and they think it excites you and it makes you want to get in there and like work on your body. It is work. It is, most definitely. But if you think about it like that, you might get tired of it. So I wouldn't say that. I would say that it just takes some time. If you have the time. I mean, everybody sits down and watches TV. When you wake up in the morning, don't you just kind of lay around for like 10 minutes? In that 10 minutes, you could be doing so much more. Just 10 minutes, just get up, groggy. You know, my hair isn't done. Sometimes I just brush my teeth, I'll turn on the camera, and my voice is still scratchy. That's what it takes. You just have to be willing to do it. Just do it, you know, like Nike says. It's the absolute truth. That's all it takes. It's just the kind of person that just wants to get it done and take the time to do it. So if you're not on your way to a business meeting and you don't mind getting a little bit perspiration, and you got a free 10 minutes, you're not going anywhere, do something active. Stretch a little bit. Do something for your body. That's it. I could be doing this for an hour because I like looking at myself with a big bird's nest on my head and no makeup on, and I'm totally fascinated with that screen that's missing from my window, and that big bright light on the left side. This is so much fun to do to you. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook for updates. And don't work too hard. Just work on yourself. Bye.